Early cars were marvels of engineering, capturing the imagination of a world eager for speed and adventure. But when it came to safety, these machines left much to be desired. Protection for drivers and passengers was barely an afterthought. Drivers faced exposed engines, weak brakes, and little protection from the elements or from accidents. Every journey was a gamble, and the thrill of the open road came with real danger. The roads were rough, the cars were fragile, and even a minor collision could have serious consequences. The first real leap in safety? The seatbelt. It was a simple idea, but one that would eventually save millions of lives. Though seatbelts had been used in airplanes for decades, it took a surprisingly long time for them to make their way into cars. Many drivers and manufacturers dismissed them as unnecessary, uncomfortable, or even dangerous, believing that being thrown clear of a crash was safer than being restrained. Everything changed in the late 1950s when Volvo's Niels Bohlin, an engineer with a background in aviation, invented the three-point seatbelt. His design anchored both the lap and the torso, spreading crash forces across the body's strongest parts, the chest, pelvis, and shoulders, dramatically reducing injuries in a collision. In a remarkable move, Volvo gave away the patent for the three-point seatbelt, allowing other car makers to use it freely. They prioritized saving lives over making a profit, setting a new standard for automotive responsibility and changing the industry forever. Before this innovation, lap belts alone could cause serious internal injuries and high-speed crashes, sometimes doing more harm than good. The three-point belt was a true breakthrough. The three-point design was a game-changer, forming the foundation of modern car safety. It became the blueprint for every seatbelt that followed, and its effectiveness was quickly proven in crash tests and real-world accidents. This shift in thinking sparked a new era. Engineers began designing crumple zones, special areas of the car built to absorb and dissipate crash energy, protecting the people inside by sacrificing the car's structure. Crumple zones act like a boxer rolling with a punch, dissipating force as metal deforms in a controlled way. Instead of the impact being transferred directly to passengers, the car absorbs much of the energy, reducing injuries. Combined with seatbelts, these innovations created a rigid safety cell around passengers, a protective cage designed to remain intact even in severe crashes. This was the start of a new philosophy. Cars should protect people, not just move them from place to place. Safety became a guiding principle for designers and engineers. From here, safety became a core part of car design. Features like airbags, anti-lock brakes, and reinforced frames soon followed, each building on the foundation laid by the seatbelt. Engineers now considered what happens when things go wrong, not just how fast a car could go or how stylish it looked. Every new model was tested, refined, and improved with safety in mind. The seatbelt wasn't just a strap, it was the beginning of a revolution in automotive safety, a simple invention that changed the world. And it set the stage for every safety innovation that followed, reminding us that sometimes, the simplest ideas can have the greatest impact. After seatbelts, airbags became the next big leap in car safety. Their introduction marked a turning point in how we think about protecting drivers and passengers during a crash. Before airbags, seatbelts were the primary defense, but engineers knew more could be done to reduce injuries. In a crash, sensors instantly detect the impact and trigger a chemical reaction, inflating a fabric bag in just milliseconds, cushioning your head and chest from hard surfaces like the steering wheel or dashboard. This rapid response is crucial, as most injuries happen in the blink of an eye. Airbags work together with seatbelts. The belt restrains you, while the airbag softens the final impact. This partnership dramatically reduces the risk of serious head and chest injuries, making crashes far more survivable than before. Early airbags were powerful and sometimes risky for smaller passengers, especially children, but engineers soon developed smart systems that use sensors to adjust deployment based on occupant size, seating position, and crash severity. These innovations made airbags safer and more effective for everyone. Today, airbags are everywhere: front, side, curtain, and even knee airbags, creating a protective bubble throughout the cabin. Each type is designed to shield specific body parts and protect against different types of collisions. Some cars even have center airbags between front passengers to prevent them from colliding with each other during side impacts, further enhancing safety for everyone inside. The result? Countless lives saved and serious injuries prevented. Airbags have become a silent guardian, ready to protect in an instant when accidents happen. Airbags evolved from a single steering wheel device to a full cabin safety network, reflecting decades of innovation and real-world testing. This technology is now standard in almost every new car, making modern vehicles safer than ever before, and giving drivers and passengers greater peace of mind. Airbags proved that safety could be both innovative and essential, inspiring further advancements in automotive protection. And they paved the way for even smarter protection systems, setting the stage for a future where cars are safer, smarter, and more protective than ever before. Stopping safely is as crucial as going fast. Every time you get behind the wheel, you trust your car to respond instantly when you hit the brakes, but what really happens in those critical moments can mean the difference between a close call and a serious accident. Before ABS, slamming the brakes often meant locked wheels and uncontrollable skids. On slippery roads or in sudden emergencies, even experienced drivers could lose control in an instant, as tires lost grip and cars slid helplessly. Drivers were taught to pump the brakes, a tricky technique meant to regain traction. But in a panic, with adrenaline surging, that's nearly impossible to do effectively. Most people simply froze or pressed harder, making things worse. Anti-lock. Braking systems, or ABS, changed everything. Using advanced sensors to detect when a wheel is about to lock up, ABS rapidly modulates brake pressure, hundreds of times per second. This high-speed adjustment happens far faster than any human could react, keeping the wheels turning just enough to maintain grip. The result? You can brake hard and still steer, maintaining control even in emergencies. Instead of sliding straight ahead, you have the power to maneuver around obstacles, avoid hazards, and keep your car pointed where you want it to go. ABS transformed emergency stops, letting drivers avoid obstacles instead of skidding helplessly. It's a technology that has saved countless lives by giving drivers a fighting chance when every second counts. This breakthrough became the foundation for even more advanced safety features, like traction control and electronic stability control. These systems prevent wheel spin and help keep cars stable in corners, especially in challenging conditions like rain or snow. With ABS, cars became dramatically safer in real-world situations. Whether you're driving on a wet highway or making a sudden stop in city traffic, ABS helps you stay in control and avoid danger. Today, ABS is a standard feature in almost every new car, quietly working in the background every time you hit the brakes. Most drivers never even notice it until the moment it saves them. ABS proved that smart engineering could turn a dangerous moment into a survivable one. It's a silent guardian, always ready to step in when you need it most. It's a perfect example of technology making driving safer for everyone, from new drivers to seasoned pros, and for families everywhere. And it opened the door to even more advanced safety systems, paving the way for a future where cars help protect us in ways we once only imagined.